We met
6 years ago now.
6 years ago at a conference.
Soil health conference.
Soil health conference.
Andrea is the reason I still have cows.
Oh.
We've had some challenges at the ranch in Acne that we're trying to overcome. But in seeing what those cattle could do once they got down here, if I didn't know what those cattle could have done, I might have just got out of cows entirely by now. It's been a phenomenal relationship with what I've been able to do and learn and talk about with Andrea.
Being a custom feedlot it's a whole level of trust that I can't even begin to explain to anybody. Like, the fact that Ian trusts me with his entire livelihood, like he sends his whole calf crop to me and then retains ownership and expects me to like keep them alive and make them gain and all the things, is like so much trust and so much, like, I feel so honored that he would trust me to do that. So when I get Ian's cattle in, I know where they come from. I know his vaccination history. I know that we're gonna give this and this for vaccines, and I work with Ian really closely. From Ian being a CRSB certified producer to me, a CRSB certified feedlot. That allows us to maintain the continuity in the value chain. If somebody phones me and lets me know that those cattle are CRSB certified, I do look at them differently, because a lot of times ranchers will sell their cattle to an auction market and they come here, but I don't have any idea about history, and I treat those cattle very different than I would Ian's cattle, where I know the history. So it's really nice to be able to like work directly with the producer, and I think that data is so important to be able to, not only for Ian and his genetics, but to be able to pass on if you're selling them as a feeder animal, and what we can expect. It gives you the ability to change management on his end too.
I was always a big advocate for documentation to begin with, so I largely had everything in place in one format or another prior to the program coming along, so it was a very natural fit. It's a pretty easy extra step to be able to capture value